to all the wonderful children around the world. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening to you. Today we will be reading nursery rhymes from a book called Sing a Song of Mother Goose by Barbara Reed. Let's get started. Pat a cake. Pat a cake, pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. The end. Thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful little book. Remember, children, to go back into your books and take a look at all the wonderful drawings. Miss Muffet, the ladybug, Baba Black Sheep. We'd like to say thank you and good day, good evening, good morning, good afternoon to you, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.